See, all of you, I have created a YouTube channel. YouTube channel it is. And the name of the channel is Prakash Soni Oda Class. On daily basis, Prakash Soni Oda Class. ठीक है? So when you type it on YouTube, आपको ये channel दिखेगा. Go to the playlist. आपके कोई भी अगर query उस chapters वहाँ जो mentioned है recently like triangles, then I'm taking trigonometry, then I am taking electricity also. All the things are available in the playlist. ठीक है? किसी को बहाना नहीं मिलना चाहिए कि कोई टॉपिक हमको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, go through them. ठीक है? And फिर आप you should query me. I'm very strictly telling you, okay, because I'm teaching you in a very like brother system. I'm not taking here professionally, right? So all of you, turn on camera. Medans, turn on your camera, okay? So now, all of you, why I'm speaking again, like आप camera on करिए. शर्माना किस बात का है, ठीक है ना? So now start. खाते पीते रहो, मेरे को problem नहीं, but turn on your cameras, ठीक है? Because I'm very frank, so I need your frankness, right? So now we should start our topic today, trigonometry. Okay, if I don't nothing in trigonometry, how can I cover in 5 minutes? Whatever you have studied, that is only a 5-minute story. What it is, in class 10th, in trigonometry, you have to know about right angle triangle. All of you know about right angle triangle? ABC?
Yes.
So I will just cover up in 5 minutes, whatever we have studied in last 3 sessions. And you can do every question then. Okay. And if you are blank in trigonometry, just hear me in 5 minutes. Okay. So here in, sir, you are not responding. Who is she? Jashmitha. Who is telling that? 9 in front of, audio is on now, tell me directly. 9 in front of 90 degree, we have hypotenuse, right? We have hypotenuse, the longest side. ठीक है? All of you know 90 degree के सामने longest side होता है triangle में, that is called hypotenuse, right? See, this one is fixed. Now, जब आप class 10th, when you come to class 10th, you have to understand in trigonometry questions, there will be some angle which will be notified in the question. Right? For suppose it will be called some sine of A. I'm telling you what exactly is sine, but some angle will be mentioned, angle B, angle theta, like some sine theta. These are angles only. So some angle will be given. Okay. So for suppose in question sine angle A is given. So in front of this angle, this side will be called, those who know can tell me, इसके सामने कौन सा side होता है?
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular. You must remember this thing.
Adjacent.
Adjacent था, ठीक है? Perpendicular. This will be called perpendicular. And you know, right angle triangle में 3 sides होते हैं. One is hypotenuse, one is perpendicular, and the left one is
Base.
base. ओके
Base.
आपने सभी ने सुना होगा. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा था, आप देखिए यही चीज मैंने फिर है ना अर्लियर also पढ़ा है. चेक करिए, सारी चीज अवेलेबल है. सो बेस, hypotenuse, perpendicular. एंड वन मैथमेटिशियन वाज देयर, है ना, एक मैथमेटिशियन था, वो मरने से पहले कुछ बोल गया था, है ना. व्हाट ही टेल्ड, हिज नेम वाज पाइथागोरस. व्हाट ही टोल्ड, hypotenuse square, that is AC square in the triangle, will be equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Base square is AB square plus perpendicular square is BC square. वो मरने से पहले ये बोल गया था, ठीक है ना. उसके ये लास्ट वचन थे, ठीक है. आई एम टेलिंग, बेचारा वो लास्ट में जैसे गांधी जी ने लास्ट टाइम ही टोल्ड हे राम. सो पाइथागोरस टेल्ड व्हाट ही टोल्ड व्हाइल डाइंग, h square equal to p square plus b square, right? So उसके अंतिम वचन आपको याद रखने हैं. What he told, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square, right? अब बताओ मैंने उसको क्यों मार दिया, बताओ. Why I killed that mathematical name cheat Pythagoras? I'm just kidding. Actually मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, बच्चे इतने बदमाश है ना कि अगर उनको पता चल गया कि एक और कोई मैथमेटिक्स नया फॉर्मूला बताया है, तो बच्चे उनको मिल करके मार डालेंगे, है ना, क्योंकि वो बच्चों के लिए प्रॉब्लम है. So just I was kidding. My point is like you must know that hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. ये नहीं आता है तो आप नहीं कर पाइएगा. This is very basic और कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, ठीक है ना. All of you, next point. Next point is like in a right angle triangle, in front of 90 degree we have hypotenuse. In the angle which will be notified, either angle A or theta, zeta, theta, anything like phi, theta. These are the types you can see, है ना. The side in front of that will be called perpendicular and the rest side will be called base. Okay. Fine. So two things are fixed. One is hypotenuse is fixed and perpendicular is always fixed. Now my next point is like trigonometry. Trigonometry is related to study of the side. Tri means three, gono matlab side, and metry means measurement. Means three side measurement. Three side means triangle and measurement means triangle measurement. What means simply we have to relate the sides of this triangle. This perpendicular, base and hypotenuse in mathematical calculation. Okay. Then the next point is, sir, your presentation is stopped for me. Ritvik, rejoin the session. Your internet is lagging. Just rejoin. Okay. Just next point is what? I will tell a code in the last, and after that, in between I can tell, and even I can change the code. Okay. So be in the session. So my next point is like, if you have to take any two sides, आपको रेशियो लेना है, रेशियो न्यूमरेटर बाय डिनोमिनेटर. इफ यू वांट कि आप परपेंडिकुलर, बेस एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज, टेकिंग दीस थ्री, आपको कोई दो लेना है. आइदर यू टेक बेस एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज और परपेंडिकुलर. आई एम गिविंग अ कंडीशन, आपको थ्री साइड्स में किसी दो साइड्स को लेना है. आइदर यू टेक बेस एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज और बेस, और परपेंडिकुलर विद बेस, किसी दो को लेना है और उसका रेशियो बनाना है. राइट? गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? क्या करना है? किसी टू साइड्स को लेना है और उसका रेशियो बनाना है. तो क्या क्या रेशियो पॉसिबल होगा वो हम लोग देखेंगे. इफ यू कैन थिंक, क्या क्या हो सकता है बताओ.
सर साइन.
नहीं, हाइपोटेन्यूज बाय बेस, हाइपोटेन्यूज बाय परपेंडिकुलर, परपेंडिकुलर बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज. वी कैन थिंक लाइक दैट. अगर दो का रेशियो लेना हो तो. हाँ, राइट मानसी. सो इसको शॉर्टकट में एक जगह कैसे कलेक्ट करते हैं? पंडित भोला प्रसाद हरे हरे बम, है ना. व्हाट आर द रेशियोज? पंडित भोला प्रसाद हरे हरे बम. Pranish, rejoin Pranish, rejoin the session. Your internet is lagging because no one is telling the issue. Pandit Bhola Prasad Hare Hare Bum. It means what you have to do? P, see, all the ratios are here only. See, P by H, then B by H, then P by B, perpendicular by base, then
sir, H upon P.
H upon P, here opposite, H upon P, H by P, then here H by B, then here base by perpendicular, base by perpendicular. These are the 6 ratios. अगर आपको किसी टू साइड्स को लेकर के रेशियो बनाना है, these are the 6 possible ratios. क्या क्या? Repeat it.
By H,
P by H, P by H, P by B, H by P, H by B and B by P. अब देखो इन रेशियोज का नाम दिया गया है. They have their name. P by H will be called sin theta, है ना. B by H will be called cos theta. P by B will be called tan theta. H by P, see it, sin is P by H. H by P will be called cosec theta, means sin and cosec are opposite. Then B by H opposite is H by B, that is sin cos. Sec theta, and B by P will be called cot theta. आप भूल जाते हो, write this quote, पंडित बोला प्रसाद हरे हरे बम. Okay, fine. Now my next point. Now my next point is directly now question. You are over. You can do any question now in trigonometric ratio. Okay, I'm telling you can do any question right now. Okay, so now fine. What is the question? It will be. See, I'm giving a question. This one is a triangle. I want answers. Okay, those who are sign, बच्चा साई करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप टर्न ऑन कैमरा करके मेरे सामने आ सकते हो. ठीक है ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ठीक है. ABC is a triangle in which this value is 25, this value is 24, right? And this one is your angle notified. Okay, I am giving some seconds. Okay, take your time. Let me know कि यहाँ पर perpendicular value क्या है.
24.
Why only one student?
Yes.
24.
24. Why?
24.
It is opposite of angle.
Because I tell you na, angle जो notify किया रहेगा, angle notified is angle A. So in front of that it is 24. So perpendicular is 24. Hypotenuse we know 25, right? So the left side will be your this one is the left portion. This will be called base. So what is this value?
5.
All of you done. Pythagoras बोल करके मर गया था. क्या बोल के मरा था? This one is hypotenuse, this one is perpendicular, and this one is base. Hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Medans, you are here?
Yes, sir.
So Medans, you are able to do this one or not? Right now?
That question
Sir,
दिया था
7.
फाइंड की इक्वेशन कर ली.
So base square will be equal to 625 minus 576. What is the value?
25.
25. So base square equal to 25. So base will be equal to 25. So this one value is 5. I come to know that many students are stuck in this one. So I'm taking it. Okay. So base is 5. Now I want the value of, from all of you, I want the value of cos.
Sir, base is 7.
Base is 7, no? Base is 7. See, 625 minus 576. What will come? Okay, okay,
Sir,
okay. Fine, fine.
49.
Correct
49.
it, correct it. Correct it. So here, if I subtract, what will come? 49. So base square equal to 49. So
7.
base will be equal to 7. So this one is 7, right? Base is 7. So now our base is 7. Our perpendicular is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. Now, can anyone tell me what is the value of sine C?
That's a
7 by 25.
7 by 25.
Any other answer?
Sir, 24 upon 25.
Anil, right? Who told this answer? 24 by 25?
For me, Vedant.
Vedans. Okay, fine. So Vedans, see, actually you gone incorrect actually. Okay, see, don't hesitate. Hana, I'm telling you. See, if I ask you sine A, sine A is what? Pandit Bola Prasad. Hare Hare Bum, right? So sine is P by H, this one, first one. So you know that perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now, A angle is notified. So I tell you, in front of angle A, this side will be your perpendicular, right? Right? So our answer will be, if it is sine A, then perpendicular will be 24 divided by hypotenuse is 25. But I didn't ask you sine A. First, all of you first understand sine A. Sine A is P by H. Definitely, perpendicular will be 24 and hypotenuse will be 25. So this one 24 by 25 is the answer when the angle is A. But when the teacher will ask you sine C, it means teacher has changed the notified angle. And I tell you which angle will be notified, Akila. In front of that, the side will be perpendicular. So if I check this one, yes, okay. So if I check it, just a second. So if I where is this screen? Yeah. So if I check, there is some network issue. Just a second. So how we can find this sine C? See, sine C, here sine C will be equal to what? Angle notified is this one, right? Angle notified is this one. So in front of that, this will be called your perpendicular. If this angle is notified. Anyone understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So in the last, just a second. So in the last, just I was explaining that this angle is, I have changed this angle to see. So in front of that, this will be become perpendicular. Now, hypotenuse is always fixed. So in this figure, when I change this C, So this one will become, in front of this will become perpendicular. This is hypotenuse always fixed. So this one will become base. So in case this sine C always P by H. So perpendicular will now 7 divided by hypotenuse is 25. Now I give you second question that this one is the triangle. This side is 5, AC is 5. This one BC is 4 and this one is AB. Okay. You have to tell me sin A into cos C into tan C. Okay. First you have to find this AB. All of you can find this. Pythagoras bol ke mar gaya tha story. How we can find this AB?
Yes, sir.
Then find, after finding this AB, try to solve this one. Take your time, take your time. And all of you who have solved now, send it to your mentor teacher.
Sir, the answer is 12 by 25.
Send me detailed solution here in WhatsApp. Okay. Or you to your mentor teacher.
Sir, may I send the click?
It is allowed in Zoom. Fast. Shruti, you are here?
Yes, sir. So what is the side AB, sir? I'm not able to, or we should find, sir.
You have to find, na? That is why.
Okay.
We left it. Okay. Sin A into cos C into tan C. So let's start. ठीक है, सभी को start हो जाते हैं. Okay, Vedansh. So now you all know that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, right? So AC square is 5 square equal to AB is not known. AB square plus BC square is what? BC square is 4 square. So AB square will be equal to what? 5 square, that is 25 minus 4 square is 16. So AB square will be equal to what? 9. So AB will be equal to 3.
9,
Right?
3.
3. So now see, Pandit Bola Prasad. Hare Bum. Right? So it was like so much kidding, right? So if this angle is, foresee this one, this angle A is notified. So this will be your perpendicular. 4 will be perpendicular. And so sin is P by H. Sin is P by H. So perpendicular will be 4. Divided by hypotenuse will be 5 into. Hana, in these two, and see, notified angle has changed. So now you have to understand if this notified angle is changed. So now what will happen? This notified angle is changed. So C is notified. So C in front of C. Now this will become perpendicular. This one is hypotenuse always. This will become base. Okay. So cos is what? Pandit B by H. Second one is B by H. Right? So what is the base value? Base value is 4 divided by hypotenuse is 5 into tan C. Tan is what? P by B. And angle notified is C only. So we can take this one as perpendicular. So perpendicular is this one 3 divided by, what is the base? Base is 4. Okay. So after cut it down, 4 will get down. And then 4 into 3 will become 12. 5 into 5 will become 25. Easy, burger, cheesy. And see, check your sample paper. These are the only questions that had come in basics. Last year also question has come. Hana? So we have to see, there will be difficult question also. There will be easy question also. Right? So always, see, identities will start. I will take the session also. Balancely try to understand as far as possible. Okay? Fine, guys. So write the code for today. MOX and just message me, okay? MOX, okay? MOX MOX. Okay, the things will be available in recorded. Okay, it will be available on YouTube. Okay, bye. Join your session, guys. On today, only trigonometry session. Try to understand as soon as possible. Okay, as far as possible. Bye. Join your sessions, guys. Bye. Take care and keep studying. Be motivated.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tavisha, send me that personally. Okay? I'm connecting you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is the code?
MOX. Just message me.